think one of the things I like about the FJ Cruiser is it's still kind of utilitarian and rugged inside. It's not petite and dainty like some of the SUVs that are out there. The one thing that really does start to, I'm not going to say get on my nerves, but I get kind of sick of, is the sea of dark gray plastic that's in here. I've done my best to try to dress it up. Right down here to the rings that are around the speakers. That company's out of business, but for a while you could get these stainless steel rings. That kind of broke that up. There's some nice silver, like there is here. Some silver in here, and then of course you got the blue. And on the panels, I added these little rings up here. These are getting harder to find. I don't even know if you can get them anymore. I did go ahead and add the shift levers, but down here is just plastic, plastic, plastic. So I've got something I'm going to go ahead and place in that area to kind of bring this in conjunction with all of this silver here. And that's with this little guy right here. I just got it. It's aluminum brushed, $19.99 from Amazon. It's got the tape and stuff on the back, and it's going to go right over that area and kind of dress that up so it's just not a sea of dark plastic and stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and get that cleaned off. What I like to use for that is the old 91% isopropyl alcohol. Normal alcohol, rubbing alcohol, is 70%. I like this stuff here. It's a lot stronger. I'll probably use one of these blue paper towels here. And this stuff can get that really, really clean so that when I put on that strip I just showed you, I'll get nice adherence and I won't have to worry about it coming off. That's pretty much what I've done with anything I've stuck on the FJ anyway, because I do have a lot of protective coatings and stuff on the plastic and vinyl that's on the inside of the FJ. So let's get that cleaned up and let's look at putting that new one on. Of course, take your time with these. I found that either a razor knife or a nice sharp pointed pair of needle nose pliers really helps get these things started to get them off. Take your time lining it up. And that's it. Coming in from this angle here, we have some silver at the bottom, which is nice. Have my internal sensor going off right now. I accidentally hit one of these switches here, so I have to go ahead and find out which switches I hit. Before I do that, I'm going to put a little bit of 303 on this whole thing just to dress it up. But that's it, guys. Let me know what you think. Again, 20 bucks just to kind of break up that sea of plastic, kind of bring in some of this silver throughout the rest of the vehicle into the lower part here. And I don't mind this amount of plastic here. That's a-okay. So anyway, that's it for this video. I'll get this on YouTube, let you guys have a look and let you know where you can buy this from if you want to add it to yours.